Welcome to 365 Math. Can you solve this problem whereby you're asked to find the perimeter of this rectangle? I'm going to give you a moment. Just pause the video for like a minute and try to solve this problem. Alright, let's see whether you got the solution correct. If not, you know what to do. Just rewind the video and follow through the steps. So when you're asked to find the perimeter of a rectangle, when you have proper figures, for example, this is a rectangle and we have the values 4 and we have 3. In order for us to get the perimeter, we would say 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 and would get the perimeter. Or you can say 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2, because we have two sides with 4 and we have two sides with 3. Hence it would be 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3, and then we get our perimeter. Now, in this case, we are given our length sides as SURDS. So what we're going to do is to try to simplify the SURDS so that we work out our answer with smaller figures. So we have the square root of 490, which we're going to simplify, and on the other end, we have the square root of 360. By looking at these figures, yes, we have multiplied a certain number by 10 to get 490 and to get 360. We are going to simplify both these SURDS. So 490 is equal to, remember, when you're simplifying, you try as much to look for a perfect square in whatever you are simplifying. And in this case already, I can see that 490 is 49 times 10, and 49 is a perfect square. So we can rewrite this as 49 times 10. And the same goes for 360. 36 is a perfect square, so I can rewrite this as 36 times 10. 49 times 10 gives me the square root of 49 times the square root of 10. And for 36, we have the square root of 36 times the square root of 10. Now the square root of 49 is 7, hence we get 7 root 10. And the square root of 36 is 6, hence we get 6 root 10. Now remember what I said, it's either we say 2 multiplied by 7 root 10 plus 6 root 10. Now if we add these, we get 2, 7 plus 6, that is 13 root 10. And we can then multiply and say 2 times 13 and we get 26 root 10 centimeters. This is our perimeter for this rectangle. Or you can then decide to rewrite this as 7 root 10, and for this side we have 6 root 10, and this length here is 7 root 10, and then this side is 6 root 10, and then we add all these together, so that would be 7 root 10 plus 6 root 10 plus 7 root 10 plus 6 root 10. Because they are like terms, we can simply add 7 plus 6 and we get 13. 13 plus 7, that is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. Hence we get the answer similar to what we have, 26 root 10 centimeters. So there you have it. Did you get the solution correct? If not, you can start over the video and see where you missed it. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Please do hit the subscribe button for more videos. See you in the next one.